Right, welcome back again everybody. Right, this time we're going to put the rear axle back in. So, just sort of put new bushes in here and the pads in the middle last time. Just going to use it, I don't know whether it really matters what oil grease you use, but just going to use a bit of that grease that comes with this to get these back up in there. I don't know how easy they're going to go in there. Oh god, not that easy. That's how easy they're going to go in there. That's it, we got it. Need a bit more brute force. Right, so we'll just leave that in there loose for now. It doesn't matter as much, I don't think, with poly bushes about doing it up before you finished, before it's settled on the ground. I mean, because how can I explain it? Because the bushing that goes through the middle is not glued to the rubber like it is on a normal bush. So it doesn't really matter if you tighten it up now. But right, I need to put the other side on, and then I'll go and get the axle and put it back in. Right, so we're all on the trolley now again. Let's get it up there. Oh, add a bit more. It's got to come this way a little bit. But what I'll do now is get the rear spring shackles up, and then I can drop the axle down onto there, and then see where we are. Get it lined up. All right, excellent. Right, might be a bit difficult to see again, but as you know, I already put half of the spring shackle bushes in. Now I put some in to the body of the car, well, the chassis of the car. And one there. That's it. Right, now I get my spring shackle. I'll put a bit more of that grease on there as well. And let's see if we can get the spring out there. My biggest problem is everything's in the way. Alright. Oh, that's tight. Cool, that's properly working there. I didn't expect that spring to drop that much. Jesus Christ. Oh, what a nightmare these things are. That's it. I think that's enough to start them now. Yeah. I can't believe how much sag there is on them springs. I say sag, I mean how much they drop. They drop when you fit them. Because they're right there. I know it's going to move, obviously, but it makes it really difficult to get them in. But they are. I mean, the axle's about 6 miles higher than it. Obviously, I've got to drop that down. I'll get the spring shackles on the other side, and then we get that axle drop down onto there then. Alright, so both the springs are up in there now. So now I need to lower down the axle to connect the springs. I'm not sure whether I'm going to be able to get down low enough with the... That's a good point actually. Yeah, I'm a bit concerned that I might not be able to get down low enough on the passenger side because of the exhaust. But let's have a go anyway and see where we get. It's got to come down anyway. Wrong way. Oh. Right, so that top plate sits on the peg up there. And we'll work that through. And now we need to go back up again. It's pulled that round a bit. Alright. I think it might be saying there. Trouble is, it all moves about while you're trying to line it up. You've got to try and get the plate to line up for all of these epoxy bloody U-bolts. Especially when the camera is shining the light right in my eyes. No, I think that's right. And then this one goes on the bottom, like so. No, that's not the right ones. Where the bloody hell are they gone then? I've got a funny feeling that the shackle ones didn't have lock nuts on them, and I've just used them. I think I've got some new lock nuts that size though, so I'll go and find them and then I'll be back. I'll use them. Yeah, so I just found 8 nice new nylon lock nuts. I'll use them. Yeah, I think I used the wrong nut. Well, it's not really going to hurt putting lock nuts on the shackle plates anyway, but I don't think they're the ones that was on there. I think it just had normal nuts on it, so it's probably better I've used them anyway. Might as well change them all. This is actually a week later, but as you can see, I've got all of them bolted on both sides. Everything's all bolted up now. As you can see, so I've got all I've got to do now. I still haven't connected the prop up, so I've got to connect that up, but I won't bore you with that. But I've got to change the handbrake cable, so I'll film that in a minute. Actually, I'll film that and put it in a different video. So I'll think, because it's probably gone on a bit long, this video now anyway. So I'll call it on this video. This is just to show you that the axle is all in now. And I've still got to do the brake hose as well. So yeah, I'm going to call it for this video. And in my next video, I'll fit the handbrake cable and connect up the brake hose.